ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో ఉన్న ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో నుంచి కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేద్దాము. గివ్ ఏ ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ హూజ్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఈజ్ 5 అండ్ డినామినేటర్ ఈజ్ 7. హూజ్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఈజ్ 5 అండ్ డినామినేటర్ ఈజ్ 7. సో న్యూమరేటర్ అంటే పైన ఉండేది, డినామినేటర్ అంటే కింద ఉండేది. ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఆటోమేటికలీ ఏ ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ బికాజ్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ద డినామినేటర్. నెక్స్ట్, give a proper fraction whose denominator is 9 and numerator is 5. Denominator is 9, numerator is 5. So 5 by 9. It is a proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator. Next, third one. Give a proper fraction whose numerator and denominator add up to 10. Whose numerator and denominator, numerator plus denominator is equal to 10. Add up to 10. How many fractions of this kind can you make? So 1 by 9. The sum of the numerator and the denominator add up to 10. Similarly, 2 by 8. Because the sum must be equal to 10. Numerator plus denominator 10. Next, 3 by 7. Because 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Next, 4 by 6. That's all. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. That is not a proper fraction. Therefore, we can write 4 proper fractions whose numerator and denominator sum up to 5 or 10. Next, give a proper fraction whose denominator is 4 more than the numerator. Whose denominator is 4 more than the numerator. Suppose numerator is n. Denominator is equal to 4 more than the numerator. That is numerator plus 4. Like that. So, alantivi any who give any 5, how many more can you make? Whose denominator is 4 more than the numerator. 4 more than the numerator. Suppose we take the numerator as 1. Then what is the denominator? 4 more. 1 plus 4, 5. Similarly 2. 2 by 2 plus 4, 6. 3. 3 by 4, 7. 4. 4 by 4. 4 by 4 plus 4, 8. 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 6. 6 by 9 plus 4, 13. Like that, we can write as many number of proper fractions whose denominator is 4 more than the numerator. These are all proper fractions and the denominator is 4 more than the numerator. Denominator is automatically greater than the numerator by 4. Therefore, these are the proper fractions whose denominator is 4 more than the numerator. Next problem. A fraction is given. How will you decide? By looking at it whether the fraction is less than 1 or equal to 1. A fraction is given. How can you say that it is less than 1 or equal to 1? I have already told that the value of a proper fraction is always less than 1. Therefore, if the fraction is a proper fraction, its value is less than 1. Suppose there is 7 by 9. It is a proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator. Therefore, its value is less than 1. So, all the proper fractions are less than 1. How do you say that is equal to 1? If the numerator is equal to denominator, then its value is 1. 3 by 3 is equal to 1, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, whatever. If the numerator is equal to denominator, the value is equal to 1. If the numerator is less than the denominator, it is less than 1. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is greater than 1. That is improper fraction. The value of improper fraction is always greater than 1. It contains a whole number and a fraction. When it is converted into mixed fractions, we get a whole number and a fraction. So improper fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator, its value is greater than 1. So summing up all the matter, the proper fractions are the fractions in which numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fractions, the fractions in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Mixed fractions, a fraction containing a whole number and a fraction, two parts. 2 1 by 3 or 4 1 by 2, like this. 5 by 6. A whole number and a proper fraction. A whole number and a proper fraction. A whole number and a proper fraction. This mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction, or the improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Now we will see how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Consider an improper fraction. For example, 5 by 2. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Therefore, it is an improper fraction. To convert this into a mixed fraction, we have to divide the 5 numerator by the denominator. Numerator is divided by the denominator. 2 2s are 4. So remainder 1. Again 1 is divided by 2. That is a fraction. So 2 and remainder 1 by 2. This 2. So 5 by 2 is equal to 2 and a half. Similarly, 11 by 5. To convert it into 11 by 5 into a mixed fraction, divide 11. Divide the numerator with the denominator. 5. 5 2s 10. 1 is the remainder. Therefore, whole number 2 and remainder by divisor. Divisor. 2 1 by 5. There is another method of converting a improper fraction into a mixed fraction. That is like this. Suppose 5 by 2. This 5 by 2 is written as 4 plus 1 by 2. That is multiplication of 2. 5 is divided as a sum of multiplication of 2 plus the remainder. 5 can be written as 4 plus 1. So this is equal to 4 by 2, 2, 1 by 2, half. So 2 and half. Similarly, 11 by 5 can be written as 10 plus 1 by 5. That is equal to 10 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 10 by 5 is equal to 2 plus 1 by 5. 2 plus 1 by 5 is written as 2 1 by 5. 2 1 by 5. Here also it is 2 1 by 5. This is one method and this is another method. In any method we get the same answer. So this is the conversion of improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Similarly, in the reverse way, we can convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. That also we will see. Mixed fraction into an improper. Suppose there is a mixed fraction 5 1 by 2. 5 1 by 2. That is equal to 5 into 2. We have to multiply the whole number by the denominator and the numerator is added. 5 2s 10 plus 1. 5 into 2 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 10 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 11 by 2. Like this we can change. Similarly, 2 and half is equal to 2 2's 4 plus 1. That is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2. 2 and half means 5 by 2. 2 2's 4 plus 1. 5. Like that we can convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Or in the previous case, we have converted the improper fraction into mixed fractions. Now we will see some examples. In the previous exercise, there is a problem, last problem. Fill up using one of these symbols, greater than, less than, or equal to. First one, half, 1. B. Second one, 3 by 5, 1. Half, 1. Compare half and 1. Or fill up this blank with greater than, less than, or equal to. Half is less than 1. Half is a proper fraction. Proper fraction is always less than 1. Therefore, it is less than. Similarly, 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is also a proper fraction. Therefore, it is also less than 1. The next one is C. 1, 7 by 8. 7 by 8 is a proper fraction. It is less than 1. 7 by 8 is less than 1 means 1 is greater than 7 by 8. Understand? 7 by 8 is less than 1. 7 by 8 ఒకటి కంటే తక్కువ. అంటే ఒకటి 7 by 8 కంటే ఎక్కువ. Therefore, here 1 is greater than 7 by 8. 1 is greater than 7 by 8. Next, D. 4 by 4, 1. 4 by 4, both are same. Numerator and denominator are same. Therefore, it is equal to 1. So, it is equal to 1. If numerator is equal to denominator, its value is 1. So, this is equal to 1. Next, A, B, C, E. 2005 divided by 2005, 1. This is also equal to 1 because numerator is equal to denominator, therefore its value is 1. Now we will go to the next exercise. Draw number lines and locate the points on them. Draw number lines and locate the points half, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 on the number lines. This is a number line. Like it is 0 and it is equal to 1. So if it is divided into half, 2 halves divided into 2 parts, this is equal to half. This point is half. When the same space between 0 and 1 is divided into 4 parts, the first part is 1 by 4. the second part. This is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. This is 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Next 4 by 4. This is 4 by 4. So thus we can represent the fractions on a number line. Already we have done this type of problems in the previous video. And the next one, express the following as mixed fractions. Express the following as mixed fractions. Express as mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. So this is the second problem, and A 20 by 3, B 11 by 5, C 17 by 7, D 28 by 5, E 19 by 6, and F, another F 35 by 9. Express the following as mixed fractions. This is an improper fraction. 20 by 3 is an improper fraction. To convert it into mixed fraction, we have to divide it. 20 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 18. So 2 is the remainder. So 6 whole number and the remainder by divisor. So 20 by 3 is equal to 6 2 by 3. So we will check whether it is correct or not. See, 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 20. 20 by 3, it is correct. Next 11 by 5. Divide 11 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Remainder 1. Therefore 2 is the whole number. 2 remainder becomes the numerator and this divisor denominator. 2 1 by 5. A whole number and a proper fraction. C 17 by 7. Divide 17 with 7. 7 2s are 14. So the remainder 3. Therefore this 2 remainder by divisor. So 7 2s 14 plus 3 17 by 7. Next D 28 by 5. 28 by 5. Divide 28 by 5. 5s are 25. Therefore remainder 3. So this is 5 quotient divisor remainder by divisor. 5 is 25. 25 plus 3 28 by 5. Okay. Next E 19 by 6. Divide 19 by 6. 6 3s are 18. 1. Therefore 3. 3 1 by 6. Next F 35 by 9. Divide 35 by 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Remainder 15 by 7 8. Therefore this is 3 whole number. 8 by 9 proper fraction. 9 3s are 27 plus 8 35 by 9. Correct. So thus an improper fraction can be converted into mixed fractions. So the remaining exercise we will do in the next video. Okay, go through this video again and come and watch the next video. Okay.